to this computer. So in this video, we're trying to interpret a graph. It's going to be very simple and short. It's probably going to be a quick 5 minutes. So we're interpreting, and all of these are sketches, all right? Interpreting graphs. Interpreting graphs. I'm going to say, and analyzing. All right, so then let's do this first. I'm going to draw a graph. Say this is the X, Y. I'm going to say total amount. That means total amount of money earned. And then down here, I'm going to say cars sold. So my X-axis represents the amount of the number of cars sold. All right. And then let's put in some numbers. Again, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to say, when I sold one car, I made $2. And this is just for numbers sake, so we can get it. And then I'm going to say, so that's that point. And then there's this $4. Let's do $4. So when I sold 2 cars, I made $4. 3 cars, $6. 4 cars, $8. Could you put in the chat what type of graph this is? You could literally look at it and see what type of graph it's going to be. $6, 6 cars, that. So then this becomes, let's draw the line. And I start at my origin, because if I sell 0 cars, oh, I forgot to put my 0. If I sell 0 cars, I'm making 0 money. Put the graph, all right, and then 6 cars, 6, 4 is 8. And again, this is just an estimate, and I'm not going to write the last one. So when I say interpreting and analyzing a graph, I'm going to ask and say, how much? First question. How many, and put your answers in the chat, how many cars do I have to sell to make $8? Four cars, yep. And the graph was linear for all the people who responded. 4 cars, yes. And we're gonna say 4 cars. It's so simple. Okay, we could do this in our sleep. The next question we're gonna look at is, I don't have 7 cars right there, but how many cars how much will I make if I sold 18 cars? Now, how much money will I make if I sold 18 cars? Yep. How much money will I make if I sold 18 cars? 36. I like that we're getting the constant, because we're going to be writing equations tomorrow. All right, we're going to start coming up with our own equations now. All right. So this is 36 cars. So when I say we want to learn how to interpret graph, all we're doing is matching the numbers, all right? If I was supposed to write, how would I write this in a point format if I wanted to combine 2 cars with $4? You know, the parentheses, how would I write that in there? See the chat. Not sure if I've asked the question for everyone to understand, but if you look in the chat, this is what I'm looking for. 2, and I said 2 cars and the amount of money, that's how you'd write it. So if I gave you this point, what I'm telling you is you sold 2 cars and made $4. That's what that translates to. So if I say, what does this mean? Means you sold 2 cars I made $4. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop this video, and this one is